Hello my mochis, welcome back to another video. So if you do follow my Instagram, then you wouldn't know this, but I am now standing 17. And instead of doing my homework like I should, I thought I would just do some research about them and then just try to memorize them. So how will you do this, Jimochi? So you could see I searched up long hair because Junghan, I'm pretty sure was his name, had long hair, and I was like, okay, who's a member that had long hair? So, um, let's do this. I wrote guess wrong, but it's okay. Maybe this one's good. Can you name 17 members? Okay, let's try. Is this Hoshi? No, then it has to be like Mingyu? Joshua? Yes, we got one. 1 out of 33. This is DK, right? Yeah. Is this woozi? No. Who is this? Sorry, world, and sorry to whoever member this is, but I'm skipping you. Who are you? Okay, I don't know who you are. You are the 8. That picture does look like Taeyang. My friend says that the 8 looks like Taeyang. Who are you? Are you Vernon? Yes, guys, we got it. Also, sorry if I'm pronouncing any of these names wrong. Who are you, handsome fellow? Are you Songkwan? Probably didn't even pronounce. Okay, well, I know that's woozi or Jihoon, whatever. I don't know who the hell that is. Wow. That, what a jawline. Okay. So I also don't know who you are. Don't know how both of you. Okay. You're DK? And who's that? Hoshi? Yes! Oh my god, he's adorable. Okay, well, I can't see you. Apparently this person is question mark. Well, I don't know. Is this Mingyu? No. Are you Hoshi? No. Are you woozi? No. Are you Dino? No. I quit. DK. Oh my. So, what did I do? I accidentally turned off my computer, but luckily it didn't do anything. Okay, who the hell are you? Joshua? No. Okay. So you're Jonghan and DK? No. Jun? No. Vernon? No. Um, who are you? Okay, we need a moment. I'm so confused. Who is he? DK. You know? Did I already put DK? Joshua? But that doesn't look like Joshua. Whatever. Who are you, handsome fellow? Mingyu? DK? No, DK doesn't look like that. Are you fellow Joshua? Vernon. No. Okay. Well, I quit. Is that like, who are these handsome men? Who is that? This is literally okay. You know what? Oh, you're DK, right? Yes. Oh my god, so cute, Hoshi. And you're Hoshi too? No, you're Mingyu. No, you're Joshua. No, you're Woozi? No, he's Dino. How can I be so stupid? Stop. I don't know, my lord, holy banana, Joshua. Dino. Okay, well, goodbye. Wow, I love his lips. Who are you? What are you, Vernon? Wait, wait, that's Woozy. Wait, no, that's Hoshi. Wait, no, that's Dino. Okay, your question mark. Woozy? Um, Dino. No, no. Hoshi. No. DK? No. Looks like this is it. I'm going to quickly revise everything. You know what? No, I give up. Okay, let's see. So I got that right, which was Joshua. That was DK. Wanwu. Sungkwan. Wow, he looks very different in there. Also, please keep a reminder that I'm recording this on the floor on my Mac, so that, yeah, he does. Looks very, very different than that. I don't know how I could have guessed. This is kind of like a very old picture. So I don't know how I could have guessed that, but I guess that's Sungkwan. That's the 8. Also looking like a bit like Taeyang because of the back hair and the front bangs. Junghan, Vernon, the 8. Wow. Looks very different. Hot though. Wait, why is he so hot? Wait, why is his eyes bigger here and then smaller here? Okay, well, whatever. S Coops? What? What? Whoa. 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 He looks different. I'm so confused. How is this S Coops, but this man right here is also him? What? What? Okay. The 8 and Joshua. Junghan? That's Junghan? What? Wait. When I look at him, he's so adorable. Isn't he? Aw, so cute. Woozy? Your question mark? I never knew. Oh wow, that's June. That's Mingyu? Wow. Dino, Dino, Dino! Dino! Hoshi, wow, Hoshi. Well, let's do another quiz for your guys' entertainment. Can you guess a 17 member? Maybe this one is. Okay, maybe not. Is this like, damn. His face is small. Are you Sungkwan? Why does that remind me from like a member from One Direction? Is it just me? Probably. I'll go with Junghan. Junghan. One woozi, DK. Who are you? Okay, I guess we'll have to. I guess we're just going to have to guess. June. Who's the Sungkwan? Oh my lord, that haircut. Um, pretty sure this is Dino. Are you? You're Hoshi. Who are you? I have a feeling you're the eight. Okay. Who are you? Hmm. Maybe like Dino? Yeah, I think it's Dino. If there are any 17 fans, we got 46 Adam. Art, can we like not check which ones? Okay. Well, I guess this is the video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll maybe record a similar video to this, like right after this is posted, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna go continue to watch this.